I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to log in on Goodreads. For that, first of all, open up your Goodreads app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see that you can continue with Facebook or Amazon. If you want to log in with your email, tap on login. Enter your email address. Enter your password. After you are done, tap on login, which is on the middle section of your screen. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. Tap on save if you want to save password to Google. If not, tap on not now. This way you can log in on Goodreads. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.